Hi, my name is Vince Finaldi with Teledata Solutions. In this video, I wanted to cover for you the very important question: how much does a VoIP phone system cost? Well, the short answer is it depends. And remember, every provider has different offering and different packaging and different pricing. But in this video, I wanted to keep it simple and give you a general idea of our pricing and offer to you. Keep in mind, there are two critical components that make up how much does a phone system cost. First is how much is the monthly service, including services and hardware. And second, which installation package do you want? Do you want on-site support or do you want remote support? Starting with the monthly service, if you take $25 per user per month, that'll give you the average seat price for every phone you need in your office. Within that seat price, it includes the following 5 things. The main feature included within the standard package is a 3-digit dial extension. Second is a mobility application. Third is a soft phone application. Fourth is phone usage, including local long distance calls. And fifth is voicemail to email capability. Now keep in mind, the average seat price is $25 per user, but most providers, including us, offer courtesy extensions. If you have a phone in the kitchen or a wall mount phone or a guest phone that doesn't require outbound calling, you could typically get that phone extension for $10 per user per month. There are some features that you might find very important to your business that are over and above the standard package. For example, first is call recording. You can activate call recording per extension for $3 per user per month. The second is direct dial lines. You could get a direct dial line for roughly $1.50 per month per user. Third, if your business wants web fax, the cost for that will be $20 per month. Fourth, if you want voicemail to text transcription, which means you could actually read the voicemail in text form on your phone, that'll be $3 per user per month. Fifth would be CRM integration. That's the ability to integrate your phones with your current CRM package. Please inquire for pricing because every software package is different. And last would be toll-free usage. You can add a toll-free line for $2.95 plus inbound usage. Keep in mind, usage is variable and it depends on your business. And another additional feature is a conference bridge. The cost for a typical conference bridge is $15, and this includes up to 10 parties to be able to call the conference bridge at once. If your business requires call center software, the pricing is very simple. It's $10 per agent per month, over and above the standard $25 a month package. And in addition, it would be $10 per month for a call center supervisor, which manages the call center department. There are 3 really popular features within the call center software. Number 1, it gives you real-time dashboards and statistics. Number 2, it gives you advanced call reporting, so you know what's going on in each department. And number 3, it gives you the ability to add call center agents in and out of the queue real time and in immediate fashion. Another variable that makes up the total monthly service cost is hardware. You're going to require IP phone hardware, VoIP firewall, and network switches at your location. So when you're out evaluating the options, make sure the proper hardware is included in the proposal. Most clients elect to rent the hardware from us and other providers in lieu of purchasing it. The main advantage to renting it is that the provider will warranty and support the hardware they provide for you for the life of the agreement. Another important aspect that makes up the total cost of your VoIP phone system is to determine which installation package do you want. Do you want an on-site installation package or a remote installation package? If you select the on-site installation package, it includes the following 4 things: an on-site survey before the phone system gets installed, on-site installation the day of the phone hardware installation and the same day the phone numbers port, on-site end-user training to learn how to use the phone hardware, and on-site technical support down the road when you require someone to come on site and resolve something. The major reason a customer would go with the on-site installation package is one of 2 things. If they don't have an on-site IT team that can do the heavy lifting, or number 2, they simply don't want to deal with the headaches and the risk of doing it themselves. If your business prefers the remote installation package, there are 3 things that are important to know. First, the phones will be shipped to your office and they will be fully programmed before the phone numbers port so you can prepare for the installation. Second, someone on your team or on someone's IT team should be prepared to install the phones the same day your phone numbers port. And third, training and technical support will be provided remotely to your business. Whichever installation package you choose, whether it's on-site or remote, can be purchased as a one-time fee or added into your total monthly service. To give a price example for a 50-person company, I'll break it down as follows. Let's assume your business has 50 employees and you're in a single office location. and you have 8 call center agents and 1 web fax. This is how you break down the pricing. First, you take 42 users and you multiply that times $25 per user. Second is you take 8 call center agents and you multiply that times $35 a user. Third is you take 1 web fax and you simply add $20 a month. When you add up those 3 figures, you'll get $1,350. That's the first part of the service. Now the second is the installation package and the phone hardware. When you tally up 50 Polycom phones, a VoIP firewall, a network switch, and an on-site installation package, you could expect that to cost anywhere from $200 to $250 a month from a rental perspective. So when you look at a 50-person company with that exact specifications, you can expect to spend anywhere from $1,600 to $1,700 a month for a complete VoIP phone system with an installation package and support ongoing. Thanks for taking some time to watch this video, and I hope you learned something about how much a VoIP phone system costs. But if you want something more specific, catered to your business, please feel free to reach out to us and we're happy to talk through it with you.